Okay guys, in this example we're going to use the edge detector to detect edges in an image and then use a calibration tool to measure the distances between the edges. The image I have loaded is the top piece of a spark plug. So let's go. Press edge detector. I'm going to draw a horizontal line across the electrode of the spark plug. Make sure it's horizontal. Okay. And here on my what to look for on the edge detector tab, if I pull that down and click on first and last edge, you can see it picks up here at point 1 and point 2. Okay, that. I will initiate the edge detector command again, and this time I'll draw a vertical line down through the earth contact to the midpoint of the electrode. And here again, what to look for, I pull it down and I ask it to look for all edges, and I find 1, 2 and 3. Okay, just make sure that's vertical again, and I OK that. Now finally, what I would like to do is to measure some of the distances. So I scroll down, and using the caliper tool, the feature I'm going to use is geometric feature, distance, and I'd like to measure the distance between point 1 and 2. I press measure, and it tells me it's 94.1 pixels, and that correlates to the diameter of the electrode. Now I would also like to measure the distance from 4 to 5, which is the air gap on the spark plug. If I click here on 4 and 5, and that's to measure. I also have displayed here in the results the distance between 4 and 5, which is 42.33 pixels. And finally, I'll measure between 3 and 4, which is the thickness of the earth arm as it extends over the electrode. 3 and 4 and measure, and there we have the results. When we're finished, press OK, and what I'm going to do now is create a LabVIEW file from this and then display the results in the LabVIEW environment where you can do more processing and so on. So to make your LabVIEW file, you press Tools and create LabVIEW VI. Specify the path. I'm going to put it just on my desktop here for a minute. I'll call it temp2 and press finish. Takes a little while to process, and you have temp2. If I look at the block diagram, I can see the different features. For example, here is the edge detection feature being processed, the second edge detection feature being processed, and this is the caliper. And the output from the caliper is what I'm interested in, so I right click on the output results, create indicator. When I double click on the indicator, it shows me the indicator here on the front. Now I know I'm looking for 3 results here, so if I pull down the little array there for the 3 results, and when I run this, I go file, oh sorry, not file, run, and if I take spark plug 1 as the image, and there's my results: 94.6, 38.72 and 54.2. I'll just run it again, and this time I'll take the spark plug 2, and you can see the results have changed slightly. Okay, and we can use obviously this information then to do a pass-fail analysis on the spark plug, whether the electrode is too large or too small, or the gap is too large or too small, or whatever. Okay, so hope it helps. Thank you very much. Bye bye.